Welcome to Civil Today, strengthening our base, build right. Today in this video we will see one house plan, orientation of building and how to decide the position of rooms, kitchen, dining, toilets, staircase, etc. and minimum floor height of the rooms. House plan. Houses should be planned and designed according to necessity and occupation and to make it comfortable and economical to meet all the requirements. Let us start the video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to Civil Today and support us. First we will see house plan. 30 by 40 house plan. It is a 2 BHK house plan. The main door of the plan is facing towards the north, so it is a north facing house. As we enter, we will get a living room of dimension 14 feet by 15 feet. Next to living room, we will get a staircase. Next to staircase, we will get a bedroom of dimension 12 feet horizontal by 11 feet 6 inch vertical dimension. Next to bedroom, we will get a common toilet with a dimension of 8 feet horizontal by 4 feet vertical. Next to common toilet, we will get a master bedroom with 12 feet horizontal by 14 feet vertical dimension with the attached toilet of 4 feet by 8 feet. Opposite to this master bedroom, we will get a kitchen. Kitchen with a dimension of 11 feet 6 inch horizontal by 8 feet vertical dimension with attached utility or wash area with 11 feet 6 inch horizontal dimension with 4 feet vertical utility area is provided. Next to this kitchen, the dining room is provided. Dining area with 11 feet 6 inch horizontal by 10 feet vertical it is provided. The dining area can be accessed from kitchen and as well as from living area. This is how the room, stairs, hall, dining, kitchen, toilets are positioned in 30 by 40 plot area. The thickness of outer wall in this plan is 9 inch and the thickness of inner wall is 6 inch and the main door is provided with 4 feet horizontal by 7 feet vertical dimension and the doors of rooms and kitchen is 3 feet by 7 feet and the doors of toilet is 2 feet 6 inch by 7 inch. Next, all the windows are provided with 3 feet by 4 feet. Next, ventilators with 2 feet by 2 feet dimension. Next, we will see how to make a plan. What is the right position for rooms, kitchen, toilets, stairs, dining, living room, etc. in a house plan. What are the things to be considered during house plan? Let us start it. To decide the right position, first we have to see the orientation of building. The placing of building with respect to the geographical directions, that is north, south, east and west direction is known as orientation of building. Next is Vastu for home. Vastu Shastra is an ancient guide for positive home. It needs to radiate the right kind of energy in home. Next is science for home. That is how to decide the positions. The building should be placed in such a way that it derives maximum benefit from sun, air and nature. In some cases, like in cities, the orientation of building to the choice is not possible. The building should be planned and to have a maximum advantage of nature and maximum possible comfort within limits is to be provided. The ideal orientation of sunlight for home is solar north. Orientation of up to 20 degree west of north and 30 degree east of north is considered as a solar north. Next is direction of wind in India. In summer season, the wind blows from southwest direction to northeast direction. In winter season, the wind blows from northeast direction or north direction or east direction to southwest direction. By considering all this, we will decide what is the right position for placing rooms, kitchen, toilet, bedroom, etc. in a house plan. First is living room. Living room should be well lighted and ventilated and located in the heart of the building. In the front, having access from all the main doors or in some cases living room may be placed in front of having veranda. So the best position for living room is north or east or west or northeast or northwest or southeast directions to place a living room. Next is bedroom. Bedroom should be located on the side of the building with at least one wall exposed to outer surface for ventilation and lighting. The bedroom should receive sun's rays in the morning and free breeze in the night because 1/3 of one's time is spent at rest and sleep. So the best position for bedroom is south or west or southeast or southwest or northwest direction. Next is kitchen. Kitchen should be placed in a rear of the building in one corner opposite to the direction of prevailing wind so that smoke may not enter into another room of the building, or at least one wall of the kitchen should be exposed to outer wall. So the best position for kitchen is south direction or east direction or southeast direction. Next is dining room. Dining room should be close to the living room by its side or in the rear and should be near to the pantry area. In some cases, for economic purpose, no separate dining room is provided. Pantry area. Pantry area is a small room meant for keeping cooked food, butter, jam, etc. This should be provided with shelves and cupboards to keep cooked food. The best position or direction for dining room is south direction or east direction or southeast direction. Next is bath and water closets. At least one wall of the bathroom and water closet should be exposed to outer surface for ventilation purpose. The bath and water closets can be provided combinedly or separately. If in a house plan more than one bed is planned, then usually one combined toilet and one separate toilet is provided. The best position for bathroom and toilets is north direction or in south direction or west or northwest direction. Avoid the position of toilet at the entry of the house and at the middle of the house as much as possible, because as we enter to the house it won't give a good feeling. So provide it in a rear side of a building with one wall exposed to outer wall. Next, staircase. The staircase should be located in the place easily accessible to all members of the family. The staircase meant for only family use can be placed in the rear side when it is intended for visitors. It should be placed in front or maybe in one side of veranda. The best position for staircase is south or west or southeast or southwest or northwest direction. Next is economy in planning. Houses should be planned in such a way that the cost during construction should be reduced, and after the construction the maintenance should also be reduced. Example, if the kitchen and toilet are placed nearby in one side of the wall or adjacent side, not on the opposite side, it become economical. How it become economical? Both the kitchen and toilets should be connected with water supply. If we place nearby, the cost of water pipe and sanitary pipe required is less, so it become economical. Next, after planning, how we can make it economical? The maintenance cost of the building can also be reduced by proper planning of a building. For example, if we take a terrace plan of any building, the roof slab should be properly sloped and the drainage system should be provided at the right positions so that the problems of water logging over roof slab and water leakages can be reduced. So by this it reduces the maintenance cost of the building. I have uploaded a video on water logging over a roof slab or water leakage and how to avoid it. Please watch that video after this video. The link is given in the description. Next is minimum height. For residential building, the minimum floor height, that is height from top of the floor to the surface of ceiling, is nothing but floor height. For living room it should be 3.3 meter. For bedroom it should be 3 meter, that is 10 feet. For kitchen and dining 3 meter 10 feet. For bathrooms and water closets, for combined and for separate, for both 2.7 meter or 9 feet should be the minimum floor height. Next, for guest rooms and kids rooms, the minimum floor height should be 3 meter or 10 feet. Next, minimum height of plinth for a residential building should be 0.6 meter, that is 2 feet plinth height should be provided. This is a ground surface and this is a plinth height. Next is minimum depth of foundation for residential building should be 0.9 meter, that is 3 feet depth of foundation should be provided. Next, for minimum seal height for windows is 0.9 meter, that is 3 feet. This is a seal height for window. Next, minimum thickness of DPC, that is damp proof course, should be 2 cm to 2.5 cm for full width of plinth wall. To know the standard sizes of rooms in residential building, please refer my previous video. I have uploaded it. It is titled as Standard Sizes of Rooms in Residential Building as per the National Building Code. And this is the best positions for various rooms according to Vastu. By considering all the above mentioned and Vastu, we will plan a house in a right way. Hope this video is helpful, and I think you will get an idea that how to plan a house in a right way. If you want any clarification, please let me know in comment section. If you like the content, like and share the video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.